Hello and welcome to SmartPrep. Today we will be doing an NBT AQL past paper. Question 29. The word this in the first paragraph refers to A. the means, B. on Earth, C. destinations, D. faster travel. And what do you think our answer here is? Correct. D. faster travel. Question 30. The word accomplishing in the first paragraph means A. bringing out, B. carrying over, C. taking on, D. coming on. And the answer is correct. A. bringing out. Question 31. The term mere in the first paragraph signals that A. planes, boats, and trains are ordinary compared to what Musk has in mind. B. nothing has more reality than vehicles like airplanes, boats, or trains. C. rocket-propelled vehicles are not yet really reliable, but they are faster. D. Musk has indulged in a fantasy that will no doubt be difficult to make real. And our answer is correct. A. Question 32. The trains boats, and planes.
Right, thank you, Machepo. Now, if you guys would like more NBT AQL preparation videos, click on this playlist right here. And if you would like help with NBT maths preparation, this playlist right here. And if we helped you, please like, subscribe over here. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one.